What is Christmas? Do you know the meaning of Christmas? Now to Brunas. Yanko uncle who know the chair Brunas. Hello, uncle.
Hey, Kwame Citizen. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Fine, Kwame, I'm fine. Sit down. You have something for me?
Yes, uncle. Merry Christmas.
Oh, Kwame Citizen. Merry Christmas to you.
Uncle, what is Christmas?
Okay, in my view, or little I know, Christmas means the day Jesus Christ was born. When Jesus born, the whole world be happy because we are born the Savior.
Uncle, when was Jesus born?
Well, the date is 25th December. That's the day Jesus was born. Is that people were saying, but I can't give a strong belief that it's true or false.
Uncle.
Hello?
Give us Christmas message.
Oh, okay. Kwame Citizen, the message I have for you and the whole world, that Jesus came to this earth, especially the sinners. If you say sinners, do you know sinners?
Yes.
What is sinners?
When you sin.
Pardon?
A sinner is someone who commits sin.
Yes, you are making sin. So Jesus was born specially, came for our sin. Very good answer. I love you, Kwame Citizen. No discrimination, no intimidation, no gossip. You have to think good because Jesus is peace. Do you know broom?
Yes.
If you take it one by one, you can break it very easy, simple. But if the whole broom together, if you are mature or you are a strong man, you can fight, you can't bear it or you can't break it. So together we are one. To diminish, we are single. So we have to make one so that we can put or we can push our country forward. So our party politicians, CPP, NPP, NDC, NDP, PNC, RPP, all the party politics, Christianity and the Muslims, we are coming to one bow to push our country forward. Because Jesus came to earth for we all to bring peace and stability.
Uncle.
Hello?
Give us Christmas song.
Christmas song. Okay, no problem. I wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hip, 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 hip.
Hooray!
Thank you, Kwame. Hey, Kwame, I love you. Kwame, welcome.
I wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. My name is Kwame Citizen.
Oh, nice.